So we're going to stick this on here. This is just a 4 by 5 1/4. We'll stick that right there. We'll stick on that little piece. That little piece that came off. We can pick it up. There we go. All right. And we'll just tuck this one under there so you never know that it was missing. There we go. Right? You wouldn't know that that was cut, would you? Yeah. Well, you would because you're sitting here, right? Yeah. Now we're going to take the other half and put it up here like that. So just to make a little design. Do you want to put the glue on this one? Just don't go too close to the edge. And if you can reach over here, you reach over there. Something sticky. Yeah, there's a lot of sticky things here. I gotcha. Inside, while Frankie's gluing that inside, we have a 3 by 8 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. Good job. That's awesome. You can put the lid on. That's plenty. Look at Frankie did such a good job. Get that glue on there, and yep.
Mini catalog, online exclusive.
Gotcha. Like I said, they're not together, which I didn't quite understand, but that's okay. More glue on your fingers.
Hi, Mary Jo. Hey, Diane.
There you go. I got you.
Happy
You can
Valentine's
set it right
Day,
in there.
everyone.
Yes. Yes. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay. So there is kind of our base. And actually, I should have used my bone folder and just grabbed this. Frankie already made a card this morning, didn't you? Yeah. Do you want to get it and you can show them? You have to go under the table to get out. No? Okay. All right. So here is our 8 1/2 by 3. And that we're going to score at 4 1/4 because that's going to sit right inside here like that. Okay. Before I stick this in, though, I'm going to decorate the rest of this, and then we'll put that on. Just so we have, I guess I can put it in, actually. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in. This, I'm going to use our regular adhesive. There's no fear about tearing. No fear. We'll just pop that in here. What's that? It's going to sit right. What's that? Yeah, it's going to sit right in the center of the card like that. So when I open this, then you open that. All right. I did cut our white cardstock.
Hi, Cheryl.
At 2 3/4 by 3. 2 3/4. No, by, sorry. Yeah, 2 3/4 by 4. Let me just double check our measurements here, but I will put them in the chat. 2 3/4 by 4. Yes, 2 3/4 by 4. And that's the part that's going to go inside. Before I stick that in there, whoops, there's some of that glue we were talking about. Before I stick that in there, I'm going to go ahead and stamp on this one. This one's going to be Easter. So right here, we want to stamp a happy Easter using our reason to celebrate. And Dave said this one is in the mini catalog, yep. And then this one is the online exclusive. Honestly, I just go and type in the titles. That's why
I'm putting links in the chat.
That's perfect. All right, so we're going to do the Happy Easter, and we'll grab a block here. Do you see Easter on there, Frankie? I see the happy right here. Yeah.